Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best loppers available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Fiskars Bypass Lopper. Despite its low price tag, Fiskars Bypass Lopper earns accolades for making a smooth, angular cut without tearing or damaging trees and shrubbery. The 28-inch long tool, with a low-friction, precision ground blade, can smoothly cut branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter and maintain its sharpness over time. Plus, the low-friction coating helps reduce sticky residue on the blade that comes from tree sap. The glue that does accumulate can be easily cleaned off with a soft cloth. Thanks to padded grips on the handles, this tool is comfortable to hold for an extended period. At just under 3 pounds, it might not be the lightest, but it's not cumbersome when cutting overhead either. This lopper also features shock-absorbing bumpers to improve overall comfort. While it works great for more basic gardening and pruning tasks, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty jobs, but it offers a high-quality design and maximum performance. What we like: affordably priced, sharp, clean cuts, easy to clean blade, comfortable cushion grip. What we don't like: no safety lock. Number 2. Felco F22 Pruning Shear. Since all of the parts on these bypass loppers from Felco are replaceable, the overall longevity is well worth the splurge. The high-quality carbon steel blade delivers a clean, precise cut. Thanks to the curved shape of the cutting head, the pruning process is a lot easier. The manufacturer doesn't provide a specific cutting capacity, but expect it to easily cut through branches 2 inches thick. These loppers have forged aluminum handles with non-slip grips, which makes them comfortable to hold and maneuver, and built-in shock absorbers to protect the wrists and arms. These loppers come in multiple lengths ranging from 16.9 to 33.1 inches. The 33-inch length is ideal for trimming higher branches and taller shrubs. At just under 4.5 pounds, these loppers are on the heavy side, so they likely could cause some arm fatigue after extended use. What we like: powerful cutting force, durable, high-quality construction, ergonomic design. All parts are replaceable. Available in 5 different lengths. What we don't like: expensive, no safety lock. Number 3. TABOR Tool SG G12 Anvil Lopper. Ideal for cutting soft green branches as well as hard, dry wood, this Anvil Lopper from TABOR Tools cuts through thick branches effortlessly. Its compound action amplifies its cutting force, making it highly effective for heavy-duty tasks. The carbon steel blades are very durable and maintain their sharpness, even after heavy use. The blade's non-stick coating prevents residue buildup and resists rust and corrosion. Shock-absorbing rubber handles make this tool comfortable to hold and easier to use. With a 30-inch length, these loppers can reach higher branches and taller shrubs. The longer handles also help create more leverage. At 3.6 pounds, the TABOR loppers can be used overhead with little wrist and arm fatigue for most users, but a shock-absorbing bumper, which this product lacks, would eliminate additional arm stress. This lopper is available in another version with an extendable aluminum handle, which can be adjusted between 19 and 32.5 inches. What we like: cuts thick branches with ease, long arms for reaching overhead, powerful compound cutting action, ergonomic handles. What we don't like: no safety lock, lack shock-absorbing bumper. Number 4. Jardineer 2 Anvil Lopper Shears. Anvil-style loppers, which have just one blade, are best for cutting larger branches, says Andrew Hughes, arborist and owner of Urban Loggers, a tree cutting company based in Ohio. These Anvil loppers are an excellent choice for cutting dry branches and dead stems. Thanks to a giant, ratchet jaw and 2-inch blade, they maximize cutting force and require minimal effort from users. The non-stick carbon steel blade resists residue from sticky sap and makes a clean cut, which is ideal for optimal plant health. A spare blade is included, which is a nice bonus should you encounter any problems. Compared with other models, these loppers have a limited cutting capacity of up to 75 inches, so they're best suited for cutting smaller stems and branches. They also should not be used on softer greenery or thicker branches. Measuring 31 inches long, the Jardineer loppers come in handy for reaching overhead branches. The handles are soft and offer a comfortable, non-slip grip. At nearly 5 pounds, however, this tool is on the heavy side and could cause some arm fatigue over time. What we like: Giant ratchet jaw increases cutting force. Replacement blade is included. Long enough to reach high branches. Soft, comfortable grip. What we don't like. Not ideal for soft greenery or thicker branches. Fairly heavy if using overhead. Number 5. Shear Jackson 8290 RS Razorsharp Heavy-Duty Telescopic Ratchet Anvil Loppers. These heavy-duty loppers from Shear and Jackson are a great tool for cutting hard and thick branches. This tool's biggest selling point, the telescoping handle, can be adjusted between 26 and 40 inches. With a handle extended all the way, you can access high branches that you'd normally need a ladder to reach. The ratcheting action amplifies the cutting force and requires minimal work on the user's part. With a few slight pumps on the handle, these loppers can cut through dead branches up to 1.5 inches thick. They come in particularly handy for broken branches and deadwood, as well as dry stems and limbs. The carbon steel blade provides long-lasting sharpness and a smooth cut. It is coated with Teflon to resist rust and corrosion. For a comfortable hold, the aluminum handles feature soft, non-slip grips at just over 4 pounds. These loppers are fairly heavy, and you may experience arm fatigue if you don't give yourself a break. Thanks to a safety lock, these loppers can be stored safely in a closed position. What we like. Ideal for dead and broken branches. Adjustable handle length. Comfortable non-slip grips. Ratcheting action for forceful cutting. Rust-resistant carbon steel blade. What we don't like. On the heavier side. Pricier than other options.